Assembly Space Day today. It is going to be amazing. We are really going to be talking to a real NASA astronaut named Jessica Watkins, who is currently aboard the International Space Station. She's in space, and you guys are going to be talking to her today.
We're at Darnaby Elementary School, and we just received a downlink from the International Space Station where we had about 20 to 23 kids get to have their questions answered. We'd been planning this for about, 4 or 5 months now, and so it was really cool to see it into fruition.
One of the astronauts got to answer one of my questions. How does studying in space help us on Earth?
Yeah, it's a great question. So we do lots of science on board the International Space Station.
It was kind of cool seeing other people on TV and like people that I know.
My question is, what is your favorite and least favorite space food?
They're labeled strawberries, and they are all dry. And so we can stick the top of the container here into our water dispenser.
It was cool, and I kind of felt like it was like once a lifetime thing.
My question is, what foods do you miss having?
We are certainly lucky to have things like strawberries and other delicious items on board, but we definitely miss some of our home-cooked meals.
We submitted a proposal in February, got chosen in May, and then we collected questions from all of our students. They were approved by NASA, then we pre-recorded them, and then today they got to get answered.
We orbit the Earth and get 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. If we are able to crack this technology, that would allow us to grow plants without soil.
To know that an astronaut is actually answering their questions live is super cool.
My name is Noah. I am in 5th grade. My question is, does gravity affect your height while in space and when back on Earth?
On Earth, your spine is like a little bent, but then in space, your spine starts straightening out, and that's why, and it makes you a little bit taller. I actually heard it from a book, and I just wanted to know if it was true or not.
What did you learn?
That like a fidget spinner can spin for a long time. That storms do look very cool in space.
5 hours off of your time, and that's the time that we use up here to keep everybody in sync.
I really had no idea how they slept because it's dark in the space, which I thought, like, how do they sleep? And then until I realized they use a clock, I was like shocked, and then like, oh, that's, wow.
I asked, what are the moon phases like in space? I think they said it was kind of just like Earth. Well, I think it went a little faster.
To go along with it, we have declared today Space Day at Darnaby, and students will be doing stomp rockets.
Oh, that was awesome.
Making mission badges. Okay, this one's yours. Getting to experience the Legos Episode 1 for their Built to Launch, explaining the Artemis series.
And you're gonna make sure it closes tight so it can catch that lift, okay?
It's a really fun day, and we're hoping that all the kids really enjoy all the space-themed things going on. Getting to see it in action will hopefully help them to maybe re-inspire 1 or 2 astronauts today, or maybe 1 or 2 engineers that want to go into the program, and that in and of itself was worth every inch of effort that we put into this event.
Today was really fun.
Darnaby's the best.